Hello everyone, greetings of the day. So in this video presentation, we want to share with you the feedback given by our CA study hours and revision examination students. So generally, we just call them for taking feedback on study hours and revision examinations that are being conducted at Masterminds. So in our conversation, we asked them whether they have joined in any other place for study hours and revision exams, and 3 out of 5 they told earlier they have joined in study halls and they have shared their experiences with us for joining study hours and revision exams over there. So even we fail to make that kind of observations because students are very intelligent and they can make very good observations. So 3 students out of 5 they told that whenever they join in some study hall, the biggest problem will be lack of schedule. There will be scheduleless preparation. A schedule will not be given. Whereas in Masterminds, on the first day of joining the study hours and revision exams batch itself, we will provide a schedule. See, once we have a schedule, what happens is all your preparation will be very scientific, very spaced revision will be there so that you can plan well for your revision. So this is the biggest advantage of having a schedule. So absence of schedule is one of the biggest problem. But once you have a schedule, majority of the problems for your preparation during your study hours and revision exams will be set right. And another most important thing they told is whenever we have schedule in our hand, that will give us a lot of confidence to complete the syllabus in time without focusing more on a particular chapter and focusing less on another chapter. And the second most important observation they made is about writing the examinations. So once you attend study hours and revision examination in a study hall or at some other place, there will not be an opportunity to write the examination. Whereas if you attend study hours and revision exams at Masterminds, definitely you will have the advantage of writing the examination. So writing the examination, each and every revision exam will give you a lot of confidence, will help you to evaluate your mistakes, will help you to come out of your confusion, will give you a lot of clarity. So that is the biggest advantage of writing the examination, because knowing the answer is different and writing it in the examination in the stipulated time, in the given time frame with proper presentation, that is entirely different. And that comes only while you write number of examinations. If you don't write examination and go on studying and studying, then you may know the answers, but you will lack in confidence because you may have a doubt in your mind that can I write the answer properly? Can I present the answer properly? Is time management can be done properly? So these all doubts will be clouding your minds. But once you start writing the examinations, the biggest help that examinations will do to you is to clear all your doubts in the mind regarding your preparation, and you will get a lot of confidence regarding the preparation. So this is the biggest observation they made. And the third biggest observation is giving suggested answers after the completion of the revision exams. So generally it may take some time for the answer papers to be evaluated and given back to the students. So in the meantime, immediately after the completion of the examination at Masterminds, what we do is we provide suggested answers. And these suggested answers will help the students a lot to clarify their doubts in the examination instantly. So they can cross-check their answers with the answers that are given in the suggested answers, and if any new learnings are there, immediately and instantly they can do the things. And the next most important observations that the students made is about discipline. So at study hours, generally at Masterminds, we conduct study hours in a disciplined environment. There will be no noise, there will be very less distractions. Whereas at other places, what happens is there will be a lot of distraction. There will be no one to stop you. You can do whatever you want. You can talk over phone for unlimited time. No one will restrict you. No one will stop you. But that do not happen at Mastermind study hours and revision examination. So there will be a kind of discipline. Whenever there is discipline, what happens? You can focus on your studies very well and you can prepare very well. And another important thing that the students observed is regarding the doubts clarification. So there is a proper way, there are proper channel to clarify the doubts of the students. And sometimes we send supporting faculty, we may send supporting faculty to clarify the doubts. And the biggest observation the students made is about guidance videos. Generally, we provide guidance videos to the students on how to prepare the subjects, how to prepare theory subjects, how to prepare problematic subjects, how to handle MCQs. Likewise, we provide lot of guidance videos. And these guidance videos definitely help you to correct the mistakes that you commit in your preparation. Without this guidance, you may commit some mistakes and you will realize those mistakes only after writing your final examinations, which is not at all a correct method. And another student pointed out that, sir, I'm very slow at handwriting and I was very much worried about how to improve my handwriting speed. So Prakash sir has given a video about how to improve the handwriting speed, and that has helped me a lot. So this kind of response from the students always make us very happy. So this kind of guidance videos on how to improve your calculator operating speed, how to improve your handwriting speed, these all things are provided to the students so that they can prepare well for the examination. And the next important thing is, during study hours and revision exams, we make the students to sit in a very spacious manner. We don't allow the students to sit very nearer to each other so that some disturbance will be created. So we allow the student to sit distant to each other so that proper silence can be maintained, they can comfortably sit and they can study well. This is also one of the observations that the students made. Then one student asked, sir, why do you do all these things while others are not doing? The reason is very simple. We always focus on the growth of our organization. We always focus on the success of our students, because students have a lot of trust on us and we want to stand on the side of the students and we want to make them qualify. That is our motto. And we always want best result in CA and CMA courses, because ours is a result oriented organization. So we will be playing RRB videos to the students, and we will be giving right approach to the students, how to prepare, how to boost up their confidence levels. These all things are given to the students. That is the reason thousands of students are coming across the country to join in study hours and revision exams at Masterminds. Otherwise, if we don't provide this kind of unique services to the students of study hours and revision exams, how is it possible that thousands of students across the country from almost all the states, they are coming and joining in Masterminds study hours and revision exams? It is not possible. It is just because we provide good services, students are coming to join for study hours and revision examinations at Masterminds. And here, the main intention of this video is not to target anyone, but just to share the feedback that is given by our students who have attended the study hours and revision examinations in our organization. And we hope that everyone will take the best part of this presentation and will take the right decision for joining study hours and revision examinations. All the best. Thank you.